Hi guys, so we are back for another day this week. This is the second day of week 2 this quarter. Um, so we talked a lot about what was called categorical data, and today we're going to look at a different way to display that data in what is called a frequency table. And a frequency table is just actually let me show you one. And also, I want you guys, jotting down some notes for your as you go for your summary at the end. So just beware. So a table shows bivariate categorical data. Um, it displays the counts of each group. So as you can see here, there were two different questions, and the questions are always on the side. So these questions were probably: Are you a home or away fan watching a game, or do you like the home team or the away team? And did you watch? Why does that keep doing that? As you guys can see here, so then you kind of like, it's almost like a Punnett square almost, if you guys have done those. There were 42 home team people who watched the game, and then there were 18 home team people who did, why am I? All right, there we go. And then there were 18 home team people who did not watch the game. So if you said you liked the home team but you did not watch the game, you would go with these 18 people. All together, that makes a total of 60 people who said that they like home games. Or sorry, that they like the home team. 42 watched the game, 18 did not watch the game, but they all agreed that they liked the home team. Here, 33 people said they were fans of the away team and that they watched the game. And then 7 said they were fans of the away team but did not watch the game. And that was 40 total people who were fans of the away team, the 33 who watched and the 7 who didn't. So those all add together to make the 40 people. Now, so this actually means, so this bottom corner here is the number surveyed. Because we had 60 people who said home, 40 people who said away, which makes 100 people. And then these totals down here, this says that 75 people watched the game regardless of who they were fans of. 25 people didn't. Again, 18 home fans did not and 7 away fans did not, which makes 25. 42 home fans watched and 33 away fans watched, which is 75. And lo and behold, 75 and 25 also make 100. So both total columns need the total row and then the total column both need to equal the same number, because they both give you the total number surveyed. All right, let's try to build one all on our own. You asked 60 of your neighbors whether they donate to charity. There were 30 women who gave and 15 who do not. There are 10 men who give and 5 who do not. Complete the table. So automatically, I know that this whole total down in the column is going to be 60 because it said you asked 60 neighbors. 60 neighbors. There are 30 women who give to charity. So I'm going to go to female, and then if they said donated yes, that was 30. And then 15 who do not. So there are 15 in the female column and in the no column, or sorry, in the no row, I should say. 30 and 15 makes 45 women together. All right, and then there are 10 men who give to the charity, so 10 yes for male, and then 5 no for male, and that makes 15. So there were 15 men, 45 women, that makes 60. All right, and now we need to fill in these totals. 10 boys who gave and 30 girls who gave, that's 40 people who gave all together. 5 who did not give, 15 who did give, that is 20 people altogether. And again, 20 and 40 make the 60 total. So that's how you would build one. You ask your neighbors who donate to charity how often they donate. 2 men and 8 women said they donated weekly. 5 men and 7 women said they donated monthly. 3 men and 15 women said they donated yearly. So getting a little crazy here because now we have 3 different. So we still have a men and a woman, men and woman. So this is part of our chart, and this is the gender. Go on the outside. And then the frequency would go up here. And what do we have? Weekly, monthly, and yearly. Okay, so we actually have 3 choices this time. Let me move myself. Is that doing that? Okay. So now, so this would be our total altogether. And then, so these are our totals. For the on the bottom. And then these are our totals over here. Sorry. And then we have one more, and then this would be our total altogether. So now, 2 men and 8 women said they donated weekly. So I'm going to put under the week column 2 for men and 8 for women, and that's a total of 10 who donated weekly. 5 men and 7 women said they donated monthly. So 5 and 7, that makes 12. And then 3 men and 15 women said they donated yearly, which is 18. Again, ignore that circle. That was supposed to be our total. So that is so far, but we still need to do our totals. So for men, the 2 who donated weekly, then the 5, and then the 3. 2 and 5 is 7, and 3 is 10. For the women, 8 and 7 is 15, and another 15 is 30. So that, in theory, should mean, I'm sorry, hold on. 8 and 7 is 15, plus 15 is 30. 2 and 5 is 7, plus 3 is 10. Yep. So in theory, all columns should equal 40. Because the 10 men and 30 women would be 40 people. 10 and 12 is 22, plus 18 is also the total of 40. So there were 40 people surveyed. 10 were men, 30 were women. 10 said they donated weekly, 12 said they donated monthly, 18 said they donated yearly. Okay, now we're going to try one more thing, 2 more things. So we need to fill in these empty boxes. And so what we need to do is first fill in the information that we can. I have here, so we have the ages and then agree, disagree, or no opinion for each class in a high school. For seniors, we have this total here, which is 168, 120, and 96, which will be 384 total seniors. All right, and then now we need to kind of work backwards for some. So we have 104 juniors minus the 24 who said no opinion, and then the 264 who agreed. That leaves 216 left. And then for the sophomores, we have 600. Subtract out the 336, and then subtract out the 144. That leaves you with 120. And then for the freshmen, we cannot get that yet. So let's fill in this freshman box. We know the total agree needs to be 1,200. Subtract out 168 for the seniors who said agree, the 264 for juniors, and the 336 for the sophomores, and we're left with 432 freshmen who agree. Where's my pen? That's weird. So that would be 432 who agree. And then you would keep going that way. My pen's not working, so I'm actually going to leave you guys to it. For here, you would just use the tallies to make up a table. So now you're going to go fill in your 3 or 4 sentence summary and then head to the Pearson, and I will be on